Okay, Oranyo for the bonus throw. Yes, connect 1.9 against 14. 29 seconds remaining. 29. 25. Lali for 3, no? 20 seconds. Oranyo, listen up, no? Okay, our box. 14 seconds remaining. 14. Ready, 14 seconds. 10.
Ayaw pumaga.
5. Okay, that's the end of our. Byron for 3, no, not to win. Okay, Lali. Get left 14. Kalinawan, jersey number 3. Stay by Lali. Here comes Lali. Hook shot, no? Oranyo for the rebound. Oranyo challenges Tatay. Basket is good. Score 11 against 16. Kalinawan to Izorio at the third now. Ramos, good shot, no? Out of bounds.
Asa yung bukuan? John, asa ba dyan? Kuya.
Matuloy, running. Winners yet. Anong klase kaya yun? Jersey number 23, Matuloy. Okay, jersey number 12, firing. It's a 3 points. Jersey number 12.
Stepping man.
Izorio, no. Kalinawan, picking, firing, yes. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 3, Kalinawan. Okay, shot clock 14, Byron. Still by Izorio. Kalinawan, pass to Matuloy, no. Oranyo for the rebound still. Kalinawan, picking, firing, no. Okay, rebound, Oranyo, jersey number 1. Jersey number 1, driving, reverse, no. Izorio for the rebound. Okay, to Lali. Okay, Lali, shot clock 14. To Izorio for 3. Bang! 3 points. Okay, 23-14 ang ating score. Winching.
Watch.
Okay, Horomo.
Watch.
Jersey number 12. Matuloy for the rebound. Lagi business pass. To Kalinawan. Kalinawan stay by Oranyo. Oranyo now. Oranyo, relax the ball. Pinigay kay Byron for 3. No. Matuloy gets the ball. And pass to Larry. Larry pass to Kalinawan. Black ulit may foul. Okay, foul on jersey number 1. 16, I mean. Substitution.
Nenay lang.
Okay, sir. Tawagan lang.
Nenay lang, lamang na kayo. Nenay lang, lamang na kayo. Iso ko asa dai. Napulian ang tapo.
Ra, suko, manaw. Suko, mana sila?
Okay, 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Kalinawan firing now. Here comes Byron. Byron, ayaw pa palaran nyo. Pag-ribon na pick and there's a foul. Sinong tatawagan? Jersey number 3, Mr. Kalinawan. First personal foul. Okay, 1 point on Oranyo. Okay, Oranyo, yes. Time out. Green team. 2 minutes and 44, 16 against 24. Green team. Isorio, no. Oranyo lipat tiap, no. Isorio gets the ball. Lumana, no. Kalinawan. To Francisco drop pass to hello. Okay, hello Mike, please. Okay, ready. 2 minutes remaining. Okay, jersey number 20, drop pass to Francisco. Binumba ba yun? Jersey number 27, 2 points. 1 minute and 45. Score 28 against 16. Green team. Okay, Oranyo gets fouled by jersey number 27, Francisco. First personal foul. Okay, last draw. No. Okay, for the putback, jersey number 11, 2 points. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Score 18 against 28. 1 minute and 25. Okay, Lumada. Saved by to Byron. Okay, Byron grabbing his foul.
Lamok ba? Lamok.
Number 23, Madeline.
Lamok.
Okay, 1 point on Byron. Okay, another 1 point. Okay, kali naman to Francisco. Francisco driving. Lazy down. No! Okay, starting up. Oranyo. Byron, 2 points. Score 22-28. 1 minute remaining. Okay, seconds to play. Shot clock 14. Still 50 seconds. Byron, yes, 2 points. Byron, 45 seconds remaining. 40 seconds. Jersey number 20, Suko, yes, 2 points. 30 seconds. 25. Oranyo for 3. No. Against the rebound. It's Francisco. 15 seconds remaining. Francisco drop up to Suko now. Against the ball. Suko pa rin. 10 seconds remaining. 5. Okay, basket. Okay, that. Byron, 2 points. 28-30 ating score. 2 points na lang. Lagi drop pass to Biro, out of bounds. Ready, rebound. Flores, kick out pass, Byron. Tokorano, pumping, ready, still, Kalinawan. Kalinawan, no. Forgets the ball, Francisco. He is fouled. On jersey number 16, Byron. Third personal foul, jersey number 16. First one for Francisco, yes, connect 1 point. Score 32-20. Okay, no, Byron. Okay, shot clock 14. Here comes Oranyo, crossover ball behind his legs. Oranyo pa rin to jersey number 10. Oranyo at the right corner, yes, 2 points. 30-32. Okay. Shot clock 10. Lain, no. Shot clock for Sito 14. Tisorio, yes. 2 points. 34-30 ating score. 5 minutes remaining. Okay, there's a foul. Jersey number 21. Jimpiro, third. personal foul. Okay, Oranyo firing from 3. Yes, sir! Oranyo, 3 points. 33-34. 1 point pa lang. Four minutes remaining. Oranyo to Romo, 1 minute. Scoop shot, no. Romo pa rin, out of bounds. Turnover, green basketball. 3 minutes, 50 seconds. Relief, Libon. Score 33-34. Green team. Lali firing from 3. No. Oranyo for the rebound. Okay, there's a foul. Number 27, Francisco. Foul 2. Jersey number 27. 2 shots. Jersey number 1, Oranyo. First day, yes, within 1 point. The score is big lock, 34 all. For the second throw. Yes, another 1 point, James Bieber. Blue, 35 against 34. With 3 minutes and 30 seconds in the third period. Okay, Tesorio at the center. Follow shot, no. Kalinawan, 1 figure, 1 pick, firing. No pa rin. Timpero for the rebound. Manoy. Jersey number 21. 2 points. James Bieber na naman. Here comes Monte Calvo, looking for a pass, finds Flores. Flores harassed by Larry. Shot clock 15. Flores driving, but there's a foul. It's a foul on jersey number 8, Larry. Third personal foul, jersey number 8, Larry. Ray Pibon. 3 minutes remaining. Okay, no. Okay, may foul. May tumawa.
Patapaul. Patapaul. Kahit na ron. Naglit na ron.
Okay, foul. Jersey number 16 on Byron.
Patapaul. Patapaul.
Third personal foul on Byron. Okay, 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Tesorio. Okay, Tesorio, shot clock 15. Francisco driving. Pinong pa ba yan?
Counted.
1 basket count. Foul on jersey number 18, a blocking foul, and 1 for the bonus throw. Jersey number 27, Francisco. (38-35) ang ating score. Okay, Moromo, second personal foul. Francisco for the bonus throw, yes. To take 2 points, 39-35. 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Okay, last 2 minutes, third period. Oranyo. Relax the ball. Binigay kay Moromo. Moromo to jersey number 12. Time out, green team. Score 37-39. Pibor 39. Green team. 1 minute 48 seconds remaining for the score. Francisco driving, lazy time, yes, off the board, and basket is good. 41-37. 1 minute 30 seconds. Here comes Oranyo. What a move, but there's a foul. Foul of jersey number 21, Jim Pero. Running for foul up, Jim Pero. In 2 shots. Okay, first stop, connect 1 point, Oranyo. Okay, last draw. Oranyo for the last draw. Yes, another record, 39-41. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. Halinawan to Francisco. Francisco driving. Loses the ball, Batisorio. In number set, rebound for Romo. For Romo, binigay kay Flores. Flores to Byron. Byron bringing down the ball. Byron, nabitiwan ang bola. It's an out of bounds. 1 minute, 1 second. Okay, 1 minute and 1 seconds to play. 55 seconds. Shot clock 15. Halinawan for 3. Over. 45 seconds remaining. Ready? Play ball. 45. 40. Shot clock 15. 35 seconds. Byron for 3. No. Francisco for the big rebound. Binigay kay Halinawan. But still by Oranyo. Oranyo is down. Okay. Out of bounds. 21 seconds remaining. 21. Okay, ready. 21 seconds remaining. Play ball. 15 seconds. 10. Suko. Lapas, Dipero, no. 5 seconds remaining. Okay, Isorio. 2 points. Okay, that's the end of our third score for quarter. The fourth quarter. Score 39-43. Green team. Okay, ready? Okay, fourth quarter na. Apa yung fourth quarter na? Okay, ready? Play ball. Okay, Horramo. To Flores. Flores. Ay, what a shot! No! Tesoro for the rebound. Binigay kay Lani. Binigay kay Jersey number 20. Back to Lani. Out for Morales. And basket is good. Score 39-45. Green 10 pa rin. Here comes Oranyo. Oranyo haras by Soko. Oranyo shot clock. Good. For Romo. Jumper. And out. Soko for the rebound. Okay, Isorio. 4, 5. Okay. Lani. Picking. Drop pass. Jersey number 2. No. Another for the puntak. Wala pa rin. Oranyo for the big rebound. Oranyo na nahabang. Sigsaging rebound. Is it up? Kinalawa. Ngunit may foul. Foul on jersey number 5.5. Paris. Okay, Miranda. Okay, 2 shots. Jersey number 1. The 5 times MVP of Barangay Kalumpang, Oranyo. Basket, 1 point. Utong na. Wala ko kabantay itong ikaw mo. 5 ako kabalan. Okay. Ready for the second try? Yes, another 1 point. 41-45. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Wala ko kita itong isa.
Masa ang Miranda!
Okay. Lali.
Miranda!
Okay, Sorio firing from 3. Bang! Sorio, 2 points. 48-41. Oranyo to Byron. Byron for the answers back. No. Okay, Miranda for rebound. Binigay kay Lani. Lani, nabitiwan ang bola. It's an out of bounds. Simple position. Ready? Solo for another 3. No! Oranyo Oranyo na naman po na big rebound. Oranyo nagmamadali. Oranyo lays it up. Stretching move. May nakuha na namang foul. Malaking barilis. 5-5-5. Miranda. Foul 2. On jersey number 55.
Sulod, Soy. Wala.
Okay.
Wala.
Okay. Oranyo na naman. Shot clock 10. Byron. Okay, it's a traveling. Kitang-kita yun. Time out. Time out, blue team. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Score. 41-48. Green team. 5 minutes and 45. For the last period. Okay, back to the movie with 5 minutes and 45 seconds in the last period. Okay, ready? 5 minutes and 40. 5 minutes and 40. Score 31-48. Okay, Kalinawan for 3. Yes! Another 3 points. 51-41. Team full speed. Ay, basket pa yun. Jersey number 2. 53-41. Okay, tuloy-tuloy na ang green. Okay, Flores. Flores, harus bailari. Flores nakawala. Wow, inaliwa pa. Ngunit wala. Oranyo, 1 rebound. Counterboard. And basket is good. Jersey number 1, Oranyo. 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Score 43-53. 43-53. Okay, Larry. Shot clock 15. Okay, Tisorio for 3 now. Here comes Kalinawan for the rebound. Still by Oranyo. Oranyo nagmamadali. Oranyo. Nangararo na si Oranyo. May foul. 5-5-5.
Dahil, gaya daw kayo kuna.
Okay, 1 point. Okay, last round.
Wala.
No. Rebound, Kalinawan. Tisorio. Larry. Miranda back to Larry. Shot clock 10. Kalinawan for 3 now. Who gets the rebound? Jersey number 11. Binigay kay Monticalvo. Monticalvo stop and firing from 3 now. Who gets the rebound? Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 strong. Blocked by Soto. What a big defense. Tisorio from the center now. Rebound, jersey number 11. Nabaha. 4 minutes remaining. Okay, Hurro. Back to Oranyo for 3.
Wala.
Wala pa rin. Tisorio for the rebound. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Larry. Shot clock 15. Larry.
Shot!
Missing up, Litramin niyo, basket score.
Tunay lang pambato.
Dua mo sa lawan-lawan rin.
Winning people.
Hindi na mo manunod.
3 minutes.
Wala mang
and
1 minute.
20 seconds.
Mga seconds na lang ba?
Okay, Oranyo. Binigay sa
Wala!
Step shot, no? Jimpero for the ball. Binigay kay Kalinawan. Relax lang, lamang sila. Okay, 3 minutes remaining. Shot clock, 15.
Shot!
Jimpero, ay, ang klaseng galaw yun.
Win.
Okay, Oranyo. Oranyo haras kay Matulit.
Wala!
Flores foul na. Isorio for the rebound with 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, Ladi. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. Isorio for 3. No, Abel. Here comes Oranyo. Tatlo laban sa dalawa. Behind the back. Byron, he is fouled. With jersey number 8. Okay. Substitution, Francisco Flor. Isorio. Running jersey number 8. Ladi, 4th personal foul.
Pangkapoy na ba?
Kawat ito ba? Kawat? Second throw. Another 1 point, 46-55, 9 points lead. Really free ball. Okay, 1-2 na o. Kalinawan, turo-turo sa kasama. Okay, shot clock 15. Shot clock 10.
Shot!
One minute and 45. Okay, 7 points na lang. Okay, shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. 5. Okay, good. This is the 14. Okay, shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. Good. Okay, shot clock. This is the 14. Shot clock 10. Okay.
Good!
57. 55 seconds remaining. Flores, di ba midlap? No. 50 seconds.
Oras na! Malunga!
45.
Malunga!
Shot clock.
Ayaw ba't ka? Tuloy ka!
10 seconds to shoot.
Malunga lang! Ayaw ba't ka? Malunga lang!
Gentila of the world, no. 30 seconds. With 5.
Wala!
No. 15 seconds remaining. Okay. Okay. And the wheel and blow. Tao ba?
Dog, yun mo na! Sir!
Okay, ang green napili pero sa standing number 1 lang gihapon. Kaya ang green ang nakapilti